Hi, it's Hannah with WTI here with the easiest, quickest way you can straighten your hair every day. This straightener brush by MiroPure has saved me so much time and is so incredibly easy.
My hair in general is pretty straight, but it gets little wiry hairs or little flips in weird ways. So I still like to straighten my hair. But you can see how easy this thing is. You just brush it through like a brush. On each section, I usually brush the top and the bottom. It comes with a really nice glove that is heat proof so you can help guide your hair through and you don't have to worry about burning yourself. It heats up in less than a minute to 450 degrees, so there's no waiting around for it to get hot. And it is so hot it straightens really, really well. I'll admit I was worried how well this thing would be because I've always just used a regular flat iron, and I was worried the brush would not be able to get my hair as straight, not being pressed between two blades, but it really does. And it actually leaves more of a naturalness to my hair at the end.
It literally took me less than 3 minutes to straighten all of my hair. So it's not super long, but it is pretty thick. So like less than 3 minutes, and you saw how easy it was. So if you're looking for an easy way to streamline your morning so you look extra nice, this straightener brush by MiroPure is definitely a fabulous choice. But that's just my point of view.